finished adding the rest of the ingredients into the batter, it's time to introduce our certified senior mixologist, Mr. Dr. Professor Maxx to finish it off.
Ever since I was but a young boy, all I knew was mixing. I spent 22 years at the Michigan Institute of Mixology until I was able to finally obtain my mixologist degree in mixology. I can mix anything from dangerous chemicals all the way to fire mixtapes. My whole life has been leading up to this moment. To date, I believe that this mixing project will by far be the most taxing and difficult project I have ever worked on.
I've completed my life's work. I'm the greatest mixologist